Hi friends, I'm Shreyas, your EV buddy. Welcome to my show. In my earlier videos, we studied about how the electrical vehicles run, how the electrical vehicles have their technologies coming from, how the electrical vehicle features has to be understood. Today, we'll start studying about the new products and the different products which are coming in the market, and we'll understand upon how we can purchase those vehicles. Right? Today we are studying about a company called Pure Electric Vehicle. Yes, Pure Electrical Vehicle is a pure Indian brand based out of Hyderabad, who has their own battery management system, who has developed their own battery systems, as well as they have their own manufacturing capacity too. Yes, they have already started producing the vehicles, and the vehicles also started coming in the market. Their high speed electrical vehicle, today we are going to study about it, which is called Pluto 7G. Yes, our intention is to shift any customer purchasing a petrol vehicle from the electrical vehicle. So we discuss about only the fast and the high capacity of the electrical vehicles. So Pluto 7G fits in our one of the requirements. So we will understand about that product today. Let's understand. In the earlier videos also we understood about how to study about the electrical vehicles. In that we always discussed on the 5 points. One is the battery, one is the range, one is the motor, one is the charging hours, then the price, then the unique features. Yes, the price and the unique features will come in the last part, the 5th points. First understand the battery part. The company has 2.5 kilowatt hour battery system sitting in the Pluto 7G. Yes, 2.5 kilowatt hour battery is a powerful battery, and which gives you the enormous power as well as the range, which can match an petrol vehicle range as well as the motor capacity too. So similarly, what is the range? The company claims a range of around 120 km on a full charge on the eco mode drive. Yes, on the eco mode drive, company claims the vehicle gives 120 km. On the mid version, it gives around 116 to 110 km range, and the sports mode, it gives around 90 km speed range. It's a quite a good feature, wherein the company has designed its all vehicle in such a way that even in a sports mode it gives around 90 km range, which is a quite very good point for any purchase making decision. Yes, if you are using it in a city mode, it gives you power as well as the range. Both options are coming to you in a very quite strong point. Right. Next the charging hours. As usual, this vehicle too takes around 4 to 5 hours for a full charge in a AC home current. As usual, in a home we will use alternative current. In that slow charging current, the battery will charge around within the 4 to 5 hours. That's there in most of the companies. I think in the fast if you use, I think it will take around half an hour to 1 hour with a full charge if you start using the DC current. Next, the motor capacity. Motor is a BLDC motor which has around 1.5 kilowatt in the nominal speed and the 2.2 kilowatt in the peak speed which the motor gives, and that is a quite well speed which city user can experience, and is a quite well speed which can be required and which can be used properly and drive through the whole traffic. The price comes in with around 84,000 on-road prices, which includes the registration as well as other small cost over there, which includes the battery, and the vehicle comes with a cable for the plugging and charging your battery. Some of the unique features we will see. One is the regenerative braking system which the company has. Second is the LED display. Yes, it has quite a very good LED display which gives you all the information which we will see in the video. Next one is it has anti-theft key system. So very good smart key lock system. Next one is a very good space at the footrest. In the footrest in the front has a very good space, so that you don't have touching the knee to the front casing of the vehicle. Next, the unique feature of what the company claims is the aluminum package or aluminum coverage for the battery. Yes, the company claims since having aluminum package, they say that the productivity of the battery system will increase and the durability will increase for certain period. Yes, They have their own studies over there, and it will be make a good point. So we wish you to go to the showroom nearby, and the nearby showroom is Jayanagar 9th block, which is a New-Gen Motor. The New-Gen Motor is also a very enthusiastic dealer who is very much interested in getting into selling the electrical vehicles. We welcome such kind of enthusiasts who can help us make available such electrical vehicles so that we buy and we can reduce the pollution in the environment. Please visit the New-Gen Motors at Jayanagar 9th block. The same people are also opening in Singh Sandra too. So visit the showroom, discuss your vehicle, and also take a test drive and buy an electrical vehicle. Thank you. Hello friends, how are you? ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ EV Buddy ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. So today we are here with a company called Pure Electric. We are in the showroom of New-Gen electric vehicles. So we want to know and we want to understand their electrical vehicle, which is called as ePluto 7G. So let's understand how the things work. Let's see what all the options they have. This is a dashboard, digital dashboard, which shows you the battery power, how much is there. Then you have 3 modes: eco, mid version and the sports version. And this is the kilometer, how much is gone, is the total kilometers. And these are the the options, some of the options which they show it. So we have, this is the eco mode. This is the first one is eco mode, second one is range mode, mid version one, and third one is sports mode. The mirror are the classic finish, basic classic finish. This one we have the same classic finish one. We have a space over here. You can keep the mobile and anything. Okay. Let's understand about the battery. The unique part over here is they have this battery content, which is aluminum cabinet. The company claims that the aluminum cabinet helps you reduce the battery heat and increase the battery capacity to the 8%. Every year the battery has a depreciation, but if you use a aluminum cabinet, it reduces only 8%. But if it is a plastic one, it reduces up to 14%. They have a charger over here. This is a pen. This is a main switch. This is for off and on. You can keep the battery in the off mode so that there will be no discharge at that time. So the main part comes in over is the battery is around 2.5 kilowatt hour, 3C rated cells. It has a metallic casing. That is one the plus point over here, which other companies are not having it. The performance the company claims is around 60 km per hour top speed with a motor capacity of 1.5 kilowatt. It is a peak power comes at 2 kilowatt per peak. BLDC hub motor, and the charger, it takes around 4 to 5 hours charging time. Other accessories which comes directly is the foot mat. Let's see the foot mat over here. Yes. Then we have a mudguard flap, front hook, anti-theft remote, ladies foot rest, seat cover, side guard, and helmet lock. These are some of the features we have it here. About the company, we will be showing you one of the next videos. ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.